welcome back to PowerPoint Training Online. And in today's video, we're going to be showing you how to apply a theme. And what we're going to do is show you how to apply that to your presentation. So this idea came from the fact that now we're selling themes and templates on our website, PowerPointTraining.online. Yeah, I was asked a question. I've got this now. How do I apply it? So let's go through it. Now, I'm using one of our templates here. I'm using the avocado template, which is just nice pink and white, but I want something a bit more professional, okay? So I have one already downloaded. So all you need to do is go to the Design tab, and then you can click the drop-down arrow. You can scroll all the way down, but you don't want that because it's not going to show you. It's only going to show you the stock themes or templates, not unless you've saved any in there. So I'm going to press the drop down and go down the very bottom where it says Browse for Themes. Press that. And now comes the hard bit. You have to go look for your template. Now, I know I've just downloaded it, so mine's in my downloads folder, okay? So I'm staring at there. So I'm just going to click that, Archibald, and I'm going to press apply. And again, this is another theme that comes from our website. So, and again, it's only 99p. Sorry for the cheeky plugs. So you can see now I can come in here and I can set up the slide decks to show you. Oh, I can now just change them as I see fit. So this is just a case of changing the layout and stuff like that as I need to. Okay, really simple to apply that theme. Again, you can choose as many themes as you want, etc. It's just a case of, that looks bad. It's just a case of going to design, pressing the drop down, pressing browse for themes, searching for your theme, and press open. Really simple. And that's that for today, guys. Have a good day. Thank you for joining us today for another Bite-Sized Monday. If you liked this video today or found it useful in any way, please hit that like button. And while you're there, hit the subscribe. You can do that below or in the top corner up here. And if you want to learn more about PowerPoint, why not check out another video? Until next time, guys, goodbye.